I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your basics. Make sure you are level 20 or higher, with at least 3 open inventory slots. This avoids lost rewards. Once done, unlock the Fisch region map and head straight to the dock where NPC Merc waits, because he starts the quest chain. You need to collect 5 Azure shards from coastal mobs or buy them from the local trader. Gather these shards first so you can progress without backtracking and keep momentum on your goal. Once you have the shards, complete Merc's 2 tasks: the Tide Run for speed and the Lighthouse puzzle for access. These unlock the workbench and the Azure site. Next, combine your 5 Azure shards with 1 sea thread at the regional workbench to craft the sea core. This is the tangible component you need to summon the backpack. Then take that sea core to the Azure site at low tide, ideally at night, because the ritual windows are shorter and yield higher success. You finish by placing the sea core on the Azure pedestal and waiting through the 90-second summoning sequence. Keep still and avoid combat to prevent interruption. When the cloud clears, pick up the Azure Backpack and bind it to your character at any town NPC within 10 minutes, which guarantees storage persistence. If the ritual fails, retry with a fresh sea thread, confirm correct time of day, and verify you have open inventory slots. These 3 issues cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.